Hi traders, today I got in a very interesting situation while I was trading on the stock market, and if you want to see this situation and my reaction on it, then watch this video till the end, and now we can start. We are already on the broker's website. From above here you can see the currency pair that I have chosen in advance. The starting balance for today is $200 and the time frame of the first deal is 5 minutes, and the amount of the deal each time I will increase to the maximum. I want to start with this currency pair. Let's open a trade on the price increase. Since according to the zigzag indicator it's not this local maximum that is finally formed but the local minimum, and this local maximum can be redrawn while the chart will rise or fall. Therefore, if we have a local minimum formed, we certainly bet on the price increase, and in the different situation, if we have formed the local maximum, we bet on price decrease. Also, we see that the RSI indicator is moving up to the elbow area, and maybe it will even break it. In any case, our chart will move upwards, and let's take a look at the trade. And the first candle starts to form upwards, as I said, and the local maximum will be redirected during the trade. While we are watching the trade, I want to tell you a story from my trader. Firstly, he thanked me for the signals and strategy that I have in my Telegram channel. After he joined my team of traders, all his business went uphill. He was finally able to make his dream purchase, and now he's earning many times more. To know the full story of his success, join my team of traders and subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And we are back to our trade. The second candle is still forming downwards. I would even say at zero, and the next candle has already grown a little bit, and as you can see the chart is immediately redrawn, and the first candle is formed about the upper position, and we see that the local maximum is already being redrawn on the next candle, and therefore tentatively the deal is closed in plus. Until the end of the trade there are two candlesticks. Well, the penultimate candle was formed upwards, and there is a local maximum on it, and there is less than a minute left till the end of our deal, and again the local maximum has changed its value. This is all to say that our trade is 100% closing in the plus side, and anyway, let's observe the case in case something changes. Well, trader, the deal closed in our favor and the profit was $166, but we'll move on to the next currency pair. A great currency pair, but first let's have a smaller time frame to up to 4 minutes, and we will open a trade for the entire current balance. Well, in this case we will open a deal on the price decrease, because according to the zigzag indicator we have a local maximum right now. Our chart has grown very much, and we see that the second indicator RSI has broken through the elbow area, and for a long time indicators are outside of it, and right now it's heading down, which means that there was a price failure. So now the indicator of the chart will head it down, and let's go ahead and watch the trade. And as you can see, when I removed the screenshot from the screen, the first candlestick went downwards, but the next candlestick is going upwards, and well, the RSI indicator has touched the elbow area. I predict that it will return to the middle range. Yes, I was right, the RSI indicator has fallen outside the area, and our second candle has also formed downwards, and they're both quite large. When such large candles appear, it gives a big chance to close the deal in our favor. By the way, while we're watching the deal, I have one trader has written to me, and he just surprised me with his result. I will show his result in my Telegram channel, rather follow the link in the description. As you probably could notice, the next currency pair closed, so we will be picking a new one. I will do that as soon as we close the current trade. Well, the first candle has also formed downwards. It's certainly not as big as the previous one, but it's still a plus for us. Before the end of our deal, the current candle will have time to form, and we will have time to catch the next one just for a couple of tens of seconds. Our penultimate candle also formed downwards. I have a desire to start the countdown. And 3, 2, 1, and the candle closed in plus, and the profit is $303.78. Well, our next currency pair closed, unfortunately, so let's pick a new one. I think I am gonna go with this one, and let's move on to the last currency pair for today. This is the currency pair that absolutely suits me. Let's open a 1 minute trade, and again put our entire balance, and look the interesting pattern we're getting on this chart. It even looks like a bit like a human being. And let's wait for the current candle to form and then open a trade. I think that here we will open a down trade, because I'm seeing the final local high in the zigzag indicator, and all the while the RSI indicator is moving flat. It's moving right along the arbitrary, and I'm sure that I will not go up with a head down very soon. It can be said such a rule. And the candle, when we opened the deal, didn't move anywhere at all. And the second candle didn't move at all too. And our deal closed in zero. Sometimes it happens, unfortunately. We were a little just not the right time of opening the deal, and perhaps we should have waited or opened the deal a little later. I don't know. It's perfectly normal, and we didn't even go to negative. So let's just take that money out of our balance. First of all, we need to click on the dollar icon, and then click on the word withdrawal, and I think withdrawal the money in USDT. Then I enter my data, it's blurred, and how much money I want to withdraw then, and click continue. And as you can see, the withdrawal really came. So here I want to say goodbye to you, and thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting me, and of course I can support you too, for example in my Telegram channel, because there you can find free signals, free strategies, and of course a lot of mental support. So just follow the link in the description, and I'm waiting exactly for you. Thank you all for watching. Bye.